The increased use of a wide variety of both employee and corporate-owned smart devices in the workplace has created a complex environment for IT managers to navigate. Virtela's cloud-based mobile device management service provides IT organizations with the tools and expertise needed to control costs and manage applications and security policies across smartphones and tablets. Virtela hosts the solution for customers, providing initial end-user implementation and policy setup, plus a self-service portal for IT managers so they can keep track of user devices, plus view and administer configuration changes. This video provides a quick demo of Virtela's portal, called VirtelaView, highlighting some of the features available for the IT manager. There is a lot of functionality that we just won't have time to address in this short demo, so for further details, I encourage you to contact Virtela for a live demo. The first screen that we get upon logging in is the dashboard. Gives us a general overview of what's going on in the environment, the number of active phones that we have out there, any new registrations or pending registrations that we're waiting on users to complete. We can begin drilling down into all of the smartphones that are available. We can get a general idea of the number that are out there, the users that they're assigned to, the phone number that is applied up to that device, the type of device including the OS that's running on that device, the country that the device is in, the current status of that device, and we can see if the device is owned by an employee or by the company. We also get to see what operator the device is running on and when the device last phoned home back to the server. We can see just by looking at the screen that we do have some violations. One of them is because this user has installed an app that we have blocked called Angry Birds. We have the ability to receive a text message when this app is installed, including an email to the administrator and to the end user, letting them know that they have violated a policy. We do have the ability to block access to email for that user until the policy is no longer violated by removing the application. We can drill down into some of these users further just by clicking on the user, and then we can take some further actions with the user's device. If the device is lost or stolen, we can wipe the device remotely. We can also lock the device and prevent a person from accessing it. And on Blackberry devices, we can go in and selectively wipe by removing only certain files and folders that are applicable to what we need to remove from that device. So from the smartphone drill down section, we can jump over to the security and policy section. This is the section where we would configure new policies and modify existing policies. Under this tab, you can see that we already have some pre-provisioned policies that we've already set up for the system. And Virtela can also assist you with setting these policies up if you choose to deploy this system. We're going to take a look at the default security policy here. This policy is applied to all of the phones. And this is also the section where we can specify which applications we want to allow and which applications we don't want to allow. We also set the action that we want to take when a policy is violated. In this case, we have block active sync and send an alert. That means that if a user installs an application that's not allowed, in this case Angry Birds and Droid Dream as a test, they do not get access to ActiveSync, and they also get an alert saying that they have violated the policy. One of the other great features on this product is the ability to use it to control costs with people roaming internationally or overusing their minutes or SMS messages. So we can go into the Mobile Activity Intelligence section. We can see the current number of minutes that have been used. We can reset this number on a monthly basis to coincide with your billing plan. And we can also upload billing information from the carriers into the system to notify at certain thresholds when a person is about to go over their monthly quota. We can also go in here and we can view any current international roamers, and we can notify these people that they are roaming internationally and that they need to take action to avoid any further costs. So this has been just a summary of some of the cost control, application, and security management functionality that is available with Virtela's MDM offering. Again, as I mentioned earlier, this was just a snapshot of the features and functionality available within the VirtelaView web portal. Please contact us for further information on this service, or if you'd like to set up some time to go through a more detailed demo.